adlaw gikan sa sudad sang Iloilo, the heart of the Philippines. Scholars from Iloilo, Bacolod, and Rojas City are gathered here today at SM City Iloilo for the last leg of the SM Foundation Scholars General Assembly. Tara, join me as we meet and engage with my fellow scholars.
You learn how to adapt at maging positive always.
It is important to keep that integrity and honesty in the work.
I am greatly happy na I am able to connect with my mentors and fellow SM scholars, get to know them, bond with them, and share our stories with SM Foundation.
We're very happy to have this General Assembly since pandemic, guys, and di naman tayo nagkita face-to-face. Hopefully, magkaroon pa tayo ng next face-to-face assemblies. Gusto niyo ba yan? Alright.
And that's a wrap for the SM Foundation Scholars General Assembly. The series of activities was all about leveling up, connecting, and getting hyped for our bright futures ahead. Let's make waves, break barriers, and show the world what SM Foundation Scholars are all about. Until next time, see ya!
SM Scholars will always be super!